Pod Affinity is a powerful Kubernetes scheduling feature that allows you to control where your pods are placed based on the location of other pods. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to co-locate related pods to optimize your cluster's performance and efficiency. Pod Affinity enables you to schedule pods based on the labels of other pods that are already running on nodes. Instead of just looking at node characteristics, the Kubernetes scheduler can now make decisions based on which pods are already present. This gives you fine-grained control over pod placement in relation to other workloads. There are several compelling reasons to use Pod Affinity. First, it reduces latency by co-locating pods that communicate frequently, minimizing network hops. Second, it improves data locality by placing pods near their data sources. Third, it helps manage dependencies by keeping related services together. And finally, it provides cost efficiency by optimizing network transfer costs within your cluster. Kubernetes offers two types of Pod Affinity rules. The required type, specified as required during scheduling, ignored during execution, is a hard rule where the pod must be placed on a matching node or it won't be scheduled at all. The preferred type, specified as preferred during scheduling, ignored during execution, is a soft rule where the scheduler tries its best to place the pod according to your preference, but if it can't, the pod can still be scheduled elsewhere. Understanding Pod Affinity requires familiarity with three key concepts. The labelSelector is used to match labels on existing pods that you want to be near. The topologyKey defines the scope of colocation, such as whether pods should be on the same node, in the same zone, or in the same region. And namespaces allow you to specify which namespaces the scheduler should search when looking for matching pods. Let's look at a basic example of Pod Affinity. In the Affinity section, we define Pod Affinity with a required rule. The labelSelector matches labels with the key app and value database. The topologyKey is set to kubernetes.io/hostname, which means this pod must be scheduled on the same node as any pod that has the app equals database label. Here's an example of preferred Pod Affinity. We specify a weight of 100, which indicates the priority of this preference. The Pod Affinity term includes a labelSelector that matches pods with the tier equals cache label. The topologyKey is set to topology.kubernetes.io/zone, meaning the scheduler will try to place this pod in the same availability zone as pods with the matching label, but it's not mandatory. Let's review the most common topology keys you'll use in production. Kubernetes.io/hostname co-locates pods on the exact same node. Topology.kubernetes.io/zone co-locates pods within the same availability zone, which is useful for reducing latency while maintaining some fault tolerance. And topology.kubernetes.io/region co-locates pods within the same geographic region, which is helpful for data residency requirements and reducing cross-region network costs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.